Hi everyone and welcome to our next video. In the last video we took a look at how we can determine the sum of products. So let's take a look at another example so you're able to do this on an assignment. So remember, for the sum of products we could have a 2-input truth table, we could have a 3-input truth table, 4 inputs. It doesn't matter how many inputs we have. In this case here, we've got a 3-input truth table and 1 output. So the inputs are represented by A, B, and C. The output is Z. So the way that we do sum of products, step number 1, is we identify all of the high outputs. So in this case here, we can see that we have a high output here, and we have one here, and we have one here as well. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is we are going to identify the expression. And to do that, we have to look at, for example, this one here. For this high output, A is low. So to show A as low, we write A naught, or the complement of A. B is high. And C is low. So the expression for that is A naught times B times C naught. Then we move down to this next one here, and we notice that this is a high output. We're going to write the expression for this as a product between A, B, and C. A is high, so it's written as A. B is low, so we have to write B naught, or the complement of B. C is low, so we're going to write the complement of C. Now, we're not writing the multiplication sign in between those, but we're inferring that that is multiplication. That is the AND operation for this expression, this one, and for this one too. In this case here, all of the inputs A, B, and C are high to produce the high output. So this is represented by the expression A times B times C. Step number 3 is to write this as one single Boolean equation. The output is represented by Z, so Z is equal to, we're going to take the first product, which is A naught B C naught. We're going to take the second one, which is A B naught C naught, and the third one, which is A B and C. Those are the products. So there's one there, and one there. And the last step, we find the sum of those products. So we put the addition sign in between, representing the OR condition. So there is the unsimplified Boolean equation for this 3-input truth table. Hopefully that helps you do upcoming assignments. We'll take a look at more of these later on and how some of these can be simplified down further. But for now, we're going to leave it like that. That's it for this video. We'll see you next time.